The court now has said Thursday is your deadline, 5 p.m. deadline for the State Bank of India, essentially to furnish details. The portal panel is to publish the bond information on its website, reveal the serial numbers of bonds bought and redeemed. No need to disclose bonds from starting date is what the court has said. Need disclosure of bonds from April 12, 2019 onwards, says the Supreme Court of India. The Chief Justice of India has said SBI Chief is to file an affidavit on compliance, so tell us whether you've done it or not, giving a deadline for 5 p.m. essentially as far as the SBI here is concerned. Reveal the bond details like alpha-numeric code, says the Supreme Court of India. Poll panel is to publish the bond information on its website. Also, whether this has been done or not is something that the SBI Chief must inform the Chief Justice of India via an affidavit. An affidavit on compliance is what really is needed. I'll try and go across to Shrishti for more details on that story in a moment from now, but this is what the court has said. Reveal the serial numbers of bonds bought and redeemed. Also, portal panel is to publish bond information on the website. Shrishti is in fact joining us live, and Shrishti, I believe, has got Prashant Bhushan along with us. Shrishti, I'm going to hand it over to you right now.
Data to pehle देंगे. 1 second, हम बता.
Well, yes, Supreme Court has clearly said that SBI has to release all the information that it has with regard to the electoral bonds to avoid any further controversy. Supreme Court has also directed the SBI chief to file an affidavit of compliance before the court by Thursday 5 p.m. Clearly saying that any information, all the information that they have with regard to any identification number, any serial number of electoral bonds has to be given. We will be joined by Advocate Prashant Bhushan, who would also file an application, was a petitioner in the initial matter before the top court. Another clarification that the Supreme Court has today given is that the disclosure of information only has to be with regard to its interim April 2019 order. One application was also filed, and Mr. Prashant Bhushan had argued on that application before court, saying that the electoral bond numbers should be directed to be released since the starting of the issuance of electoral bonds and not since the time of the interim order, which was 2019. However, Supreme Court has clarified that it cannot go back on its own words. In its verdict also, the court had clarified that only from April 2019 the bond information will have to be issued. We will be joined by Advocate Prashant Bhushan now. Sir, what has the court said today?
क्या फैसला हुआ है आज इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड को लेके? सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने क्या कहा?
नहीं, आज जब केस शुरू हुआ उन्होंने तो स्टेट बैंक को नोटिस दिया था कोर्ट ने कि तुमने अल्फा न्यूमेरिक नंबर जो है बॉन्ड का वो क्यों नहीं डिस्क्लोज किया. लेकिन उससे पहले ही जो इंडस्ट्री एसोसिएशंस हैं, फिक्की, सीआईआई, एसोचैम, उन सब की तरफ से एक कोशिश करी गई कि उन्होंने बोला कि हमने एप्लीकेशन फाइल करी है कि ये नंबर ना डिस्क्लोज किया जाए और हमको सुना जाए. उस पर चीफ जस्टिस ने बोला कि नहीं, तुम्हारी एप्लीकेशन रिकॉर्ड पर नहीं है. और ये सब लोगों को जब हमने इंटरिम ऑर्डर पास किया था तो ये सबको नोटिस पर डाल दिया था जब 2019 में इंटरिम ऑर्डर पास किया था कि भाई ये डिटेल्स, डोनर डिटेल्स सब डिस्क्लोज करने होंगे. तो इसलिए उन्होंने फिर स्टेट बैंक को सुना और स्टेट बैंक ने बोला कि नहीं, हमारे पास बॉन्ड नंबर्स वगैरह सब हैं और हम आसानी से ये डेटा दे सकते हैं, लेकिन हमने गलत समझ लिया आपके ऑर्डर का मतलब. हमको लगा कि बॉन्ड नंबर नहीं देने हैं वगैरह वगैरह. तो कोर्ट ने बोला कि नहीं, हमने आपको बोला था कि सारे डिटेल जितने आपके पास हो इन इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड्स के बारे में सब आपको डिस्क्लोज करने हैं. उसका ये मतलब नहीं था कि आप बॉन्ड नंबर नहीं देंगे या और कोई डिटेल नहीं देंगे. तो उन्होंने बोला है कि सारे ही डिटेल्स जो भी उनके पास बॉन्ड के बारे में हो वो पूरे के पूरे डिस्क्लोज करें.
All right, so you heard from Prashant Bhushan, whose plea in fact is in the court as far as the electoral bonds matter is concerned, the hearing for which was underway, and the court has said that we are looking at alpha-numeric codes. Start giving out this information to us April 12, 2019 onwards.